Alright, so I reckon I've figured out the reason why there aren't more drummers out there. And that reason is coordination. Now, there are so many people out there that probably don't even bother trying to learn drums because they say to themselves, oh, no, I'm too unco to play drums. There's no way I could do that. But that's just an excuse. It's not true. And the best way to get coordinated is to learn drums. Drumming can improve your coordination, focus, strength, fitness, all of that stuff, but especially your coordination. So why not use the drums to get more coordinated? Now I want to show you a quick little exercise, and it doesn't actually require a drum kit. You can play this with your feet, stomping on the ground, tapping your thighs with your hands. Give it a go. All right, I'm going to go set up now, and please enjoy this video of a dog chasing his tail while I go set up. Alright, so here we go. A nice little exercise you can do, like I said, at home or behind your drum kit. All we're going to do is walk on the spot. Now, if you're right-handed / right-footed, I'm just going to assume you are. If you're a lefty, please just swap over the words I'm saying. So, right, left, right, left. You can just stomp with your right foot on that kick drum and left foot, nice little hi-hat foot. Okay, now we're just walking on the spot, strolling down the street, sitting on a chair, but we're just getting a nice little pace going about there. Okay, so stomp with me. Here we go. We're going to bring the hands in next. Now all we're going to do, right hand follows the right kick, left hand goes with the left hi-hat foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So just keep playing this with me. Then we're going to play twice as many strokes on the snare. You ready? I'll count us down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when I count us down again, we're going to go back to the half bass strokes. 4, 3, 2, 1, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And one more time, we're going to go up to the double tempo strokes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, left, kick, hats. So there you have it, a nice little exercise for you. And if you can't do that, if you tried, awesome. You're not supposed to be able to do it straight away. This is a coordination thing. Us drummers like to call it independence, where the arms are doing something different to the feet, independent of each other. So all you need to do is just rewind, go over it again, and just practice. And just, like I said, if you don't have a kit, you're just stomping on the ground. Okay, so this hand's following the right, this one's following the left. Stomp, stomp, and without changing the feet, it's going to double the amount of hands. 3, 4. Still walking on the spot at the same pace. 2, 3, 4. Oh, that felt very unco. I'm sure it looked unco too. Speaking of coordination. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit the old subscribe or like button. Comment below if you want to see more of these. Let me know if you struggled with it or not, or if you nailed it first go. So there's no right or wrong. I'd be surprised if people just get this straight away. Good on you, but embrace the struggle. This is a frustrating instrument, but it is well worth the reward when you get through those hurdles and those struggles. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.